Hey guys, this is Matt here from Modern Automotive Performance. If you're in the community, you might know us as MAP. You guys might not have heard of us before, but if you actually owned a Mitsubishi, a Subaru, or a Volkswagen, you actually might have heard of us before. We have been in business since 2006. We're located down in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. We have been racing cars basically since the beginning. So we have basically broken and hold a lot of records. So at one point we actually did hold the highest horsepower stock ECU Evo 8. Did actually make over 1,000 all-wheel horsepower. We actually did the first 4G63 swap in an FD RX-7. That car actually did make it deep into the 8-second quarter mile. So we offer thousands of products and over 300 brands that we actually carry here. We also pride ourselves in manufacturing and developing products in-house. We've been doing that since 2006 basically too. We have our own CNC machine, our own engine department, our own dyno room, all the things that you need basically for a performance shop to develop and manufacture products in-house. So with the success we had in the 2015 plus Subaru WRX and the Mark 7 GTI, it actually seemed like an obvious choice for us to go with the new 1.5 turbo Civic that I actually have here behind me. One of the reasons we went with this actually is we noticed that a lot of the previous Honda, I guess aftermarket manufacturers were starting to stray away from, I guess, manufacturing developed parts just due to the fact that it is natively turbocharged. So this is where we decided to actually step in and fill the void where, as a company who is extremely familiar and well versed with turbocharged four-cylinder applications, we saw the need to step up, use our past experience and our knowledge and see what kind of products we could develop for this vehicle. Something you guys might be wondering is what we're actually going to be doing with the car. One of the things that we have always done in the past is chosen a platform that had, I guess, one particular kind of dedicated tuning software. So one of the things that makes this one so different is that we are actually going to be doing Honda and K-Tuner support because the market demanded it. So one of the things that we do here, we get the car, we actually get it on the dyno. We do our just a baseline map to see what kind of power the car is making in the factory form. Then from there we develop our stage 1 off-the-shelf map, which would actually be for bone stock vehicles. From there, as you guys might be familiar with some of our other vehicles like the 2015 plus WRX, I will offer stage 2 solutions, which would include it'd be our downpipe, then our intake, and obviously it would include the off-the-shelf map for that as well. From there, we will be developing a catback with a lot of different options actually, so you'll have the ability to customize the axle back portion of it, choose how many tips you want, what color tips you want, and then kind of go from there. We also will soon be releasing a billet end tank intercooler solution as well, so definitely keep an eye out for that. One of the things too that's important to us is actually identifying the potential weak points for these platforms. So that being said, we are looking at short block options, cylinder head builds, and then making sure that we can provide and build you a, not only reliable, but an engine that can take pretty much any amount of power you would want to throw at it. With that being said too, we will be developing a turbo kit for this application as well. And definitely stay tuned to see what other kind of options we come up with for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, this is Matt from Modern Automotive Performance. Please feel free to give us a subscribe if you want to see where we go with this platform. If there's anything that you guys would like to see as an audience, please definitely drop a comment and let us know. Otherwise, definitely stay tuned to see where we go with this. We got some things up our sleeve and we're excited to show you guys.